greatest and best song in the world. Tribute. Long time ago, me and my brother Kyle here. We was hitchhiking down along a lonesome road. All of a sudden, there shined the shiny demon in the middle of the road. And he said, "Hey, the best song in the world, or I'll beat yourself." Well, me and Kyle, we looked at each other, and we said, "Okay, we have agreed the first thing we can do our heads just so happen to be the best song in the world. You're the best song in the world. Who can do anything, anything, or one make you do one, make me the best of me. Needless to say, all of the beast was stunned. And the beast was turned. He asked us, "Be you a no?" And we said, "Nay, we are but men."